A figure is shown below. Holy cow. What is the area in square feet of the figure? Well, it looks like in all of these situations, we have things that look rectangular and things that look square. So either way, if we're going to just pretend that all of these are rectangles and a square is a rectangle, you're looking at the area for each part being length times width. So I am looking at this, and I'm going to kind of like split each of them up. Okay, so I have one rectangular shape that looks like that. The length is 4. Ooh, over here, if the height is 2, that means that height is 2. This is the same exact shape, so that makes life easy. All right, let's get another color in. Let's get blue. This big guy, let's try to figure out the measurements of that. This big guy is 6 feet long. And if this chunk is 2 and that chunk is 2, that means you are 4. And then last but not least, you got that square living up there. And yes, it is a square. That is going to be 2 by 2. So, using the colors, 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. In the middle, we have 6 times 4, which is 24. And up here, we have 2 times 2, which is 4. So we have 4 numbers that we're going to add up. Okay, 24 plus 8 plus 8 plus 4. Now, we could use a calculator, but I don't want to. I'm just going to do the old-fashioned way. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. Write out your 4, carry the 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. You get 44. Our unit is feet, and since this is area, it's going to be square feet, so the answer is D, 44 square feet.